All right, let's get that camera a little closer. All right, Eureka Math Squared, Module 2, Lesson 16, homework helper. So I moved the mouse out of the way so I don't accidentally hit it again. All right, so show or explain your strategy. No, my class, you're going to show me your strategy. Show me what you're doing. You're not going to explain it to me. So I want you to show me how you're doing it. What way works best for you? Ooh, look, we're getting some bigger numbers down here finally. That's fun. Let's do one of those. We're going to do all these the same way. If it's me, again, I'm going with my place value chart, right? I'm going to have my tens. I'm going to have my ones. Okay. I have 365. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I need 36. Oh my goodness. 36 tens. Whew. That's a lot of tens. It's a lot. But we're dividing by fives. So 3 is smaller than 5. So I guess I got to do it that way. It's going to be a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. All right. Now I need 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our 5. Oh, let me move it up. All right, there you go. 5 sections. Okay. It's you know what? If I look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at all those 5s. I have 5 sections of 5. So if I just take 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, oh, that's going to make it easier for me. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gone. So now I just have 5, 10, 11 left. 11 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well, right. This guy, this one right here, no, he doesn't fit. So bring that one up over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But Mr. Short, it's only 1. Why did you put 10 over here? Remember, this is 110, which is the same as 10 ones. So when we bring it over, you got to have 10. All right, so we still have our 5 sections. We got these. Let's do them at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look at that. It's going to work out good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count another to make sure we got that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They all have 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They all have 3. So our answer is 73. Look, it worked out nice, neat. Okay. Remember, you go one at a time if you don't see in your head how it's 5s going in the spot. All right. If you can't see how this is 5, go one at a time. It's going to take a little longer, but you're going to get it right. Take your time. Get it right. It's not about speed. All right. You have 1 homework page tonight. 1. Take your time. Get it right. These 2 are going to take a little longer. These ones will be a little bit quicker just because they're smaller numbers. All right. So 3 and 4, a little bit longer than 1 and 2 because 1 and 2 are a little bit smaller numbers. All right. But 73, use this to help you. This is the model we should be using. All right. Let's look at the back. On the back, it says shade the rectangle to break it into 2 smaller rectangles. Then complete the equation to find the total area of the larger rectangle. Oh, so we're going to make it smaller. Huh, look at that. Make it smaller. So shade the rectangle into 2 smaller. So 6 times what equals 6 times blank and Blake? What numbers do you want to use for this? Well, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. You guys are going to use this on your own. Each square equals 1 unit. it says shade the rectangle to break it into two smaller rectangles. So this is one big rectangle. Shade it to make it two smaller. So I'd have one section shaded and one section not shaded. Because going across the top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 across the top. And going down, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, so 6 times 13. Huh, so we're going to break that going across the top. You can shade in as many as you want, but remember, it's going to be 6 times what? Plus 6 times what? This plus this has to equal 13. How many do you want to do? All right, figure it out there. Sorry, make this a little darker. 13 across the top, 6 that way. Break it in 2 parts. Down here, find the area of the shape. Show your strategies. All right, we have 9, 14, 5, 3. What if we just go right there? Take that. Now we just need to do 5 times 3. Write that answer there, right? And now 4, same here, 9. Now we close that in. So that's 9 across. So then you add the area of this one plus the area of this one and write it over here. And make sure you have centimeters squared because you're doing multiplying centimeters times centimeters, which means it has to be squared. Okay? Make it smaller. You can use a strategy like this or a strategy like this sometimes to help us with things like this once we get going. All right? Hope that helps out, guys. Hope this all works out for you. I will see you on the homework for tomorrow. Have a good night.